Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and enable 2FA or two-factor authentication on your Reddit account. This is going to be the only video you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, I want you to make sure that you are logged in into the right account that you want to go ahead and enable 2FA on. And once you've done that, all you need to do is click on the top right hand, your profile icon, and simply go ahead and click on this settings button right down here. Once you've done that, as you can see, if you look closely on account authorization, there are three options: Google, Apple, and 2FA or two-factor authentication. All you need to do is click on turn on, go ahead and enter your current password just like that, click on confirm, and once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and scan this QR with your Google Authenticator on your mobile phone and simply add your 6-digit verification code and click on complete setup. And that is absolutely it, and it's going to be enabled for you. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.